In this video, we will learn how to resign as an employee on the Workday app. When preparing your resignation letter on Workday, follow these steps to ensure a professional and smooth transition. First, clearly state your intention to resign, including your last working day, and express gratitude for the opportunity you have. Remember, keep the letter brief and maintain a respectful tone to avoid any negative comments. Then, double check for any errors or typos. After that, make sure that the letter accurately reflects your intentions. Next, save your resignation letter in a suitable format such as PDF and submit it through the designated Workday platform. After that, follow up with a personal conversation to inform your manager or your team leader or members about your decision. By following these steps, you can ensure a professional and respectful resignation process on Workday. Workday has revolutionized the employee management system by introducing a seamless and efficient platform that allows anyone to submit resignation letters. This approach has simplified the resignation process for all employees and streamlined follow-up that HR departments have to do. Workday is always a trusted platform for managing employee resignations and making it easy and convenient for organizations all around the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.